currently sitting in the car while my mom and brother are in Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm sitting here because sometimes I get really bad hiccups, like bad where like I can't get rid of it. Yeah, like that. I've been drinking a lot of water. I've been holding my breath and everything, but just like nothing seems to do the tricks. Oh my god, so I'm gonna look up some ways to cure hiccups. Also, like, people are looking at me filming and it's embarrassing. Like, they're so bad. 6 ways to cure hiccups. Plug your ears and drink water. I mean, it feels like it worked. Okay, I think it worked. Thank God. So far today, I went out for lunch with my brother and my mom. We went to Chronic Tacos. If you live in Vancouver, highly recommend Chronic Tacos. Great taco restaurant. And a shrimp burrito, in case you were wondering. Snowing in Vancouver today, which it like never does. Also, there's like 4 Sherman staring at me while I'm filming this, so yeah, I'm so cold. Wonderful. I'm just jamming in the car to Christmas tunes while they do the Christmas shopping in his underwear.
Then how the reindeer
Loved him.
as they shouted out with glee.
Yippee!
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer,
Reindeer.
you'll go down in history.
Like George Washington. Like Alexander Hamilton.
Don't be shocked when your history book mentions me.
I love Elvis.
You'll be doing all right.
$5 Christmas tree. Why not? Who doesn't want a $5 Christmas tree?